This is living, Gordon.
Morning legends, welcome back to paradise. We had a much better sleep last night. It was nice and cool. There was a beautiful breeze and it didn't rain on us, which was way better. So we're just waiting for water. We're gonna have some bacon and eggs, waiting for water. The weather looks good, so we're gonna punch wide and hopefully we're gonna fill our fridge, Eskies. Fill our esky. Yeah, so we're hoping for trout, we're hoping for reds, hoping for whatever. Really don't care, just want to put a bend in some reds. Custom rods. So we'll take you guys along for the ride. Sure.
So we're at a new location. Dad spotted tuna, so he wants to go get tuna. After we maybe get tuna, we'll see you at the original planned spot. We're gonna try and get some red emperor, which would be good.
Don't tell them too much.
Don't tell them too much, but they won't.
Don't tell them too much.
What do you mean? See you when we're fishing for some fish.
Reckon a red's custom rod. P3 with a Daiwa Saltist dropping right on them.
This is Aussie. Aussie's come out to join us for the night. We'll have a good pat. Good on you, Aussie. What a legend.
No! He's following it. He's just straight up watching it. There's like 4 of them. Oh my god. There's like 4 of them. Look at him. Match it. It wasn't me. Oh yeah, gone. Oh no, he let go of it. Oh yes. Run, Gordon. Yeah. Smashed it on the surface.
Come on, Isaac. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Get that shark.
I think he's a bit bigger than I thought.
Meh.
Oh, he's quite big actually. Can you hold this down? I will. Oh, stop spinning. Oh, Pliers?
Grab the pliers off the side of the boat there.
Sam. How's he hooked?
He's not anymore.
So what we've got tonight is we've got a bit of blue line emperor, we've got some blue bone, and we've got some coral trout.
Yeah. We're gonna cut up some potato and sweet potato, make some chips out of them. Should be really good.
Nice bit of avo, you can't go wrong with a bit of avo. Onion.
Potato chops on.
A few potato chops. And a fosh brew. Cheese. Fresh lettuce. Fresh mayo. Nice little wrap here. Look at that, people. Oh shit, yeah. Have a try that, brother. See how you go.
Oh. Well, all good things must come to an end eventually. We just packed up our camp. We just got it sitting up on the beach there. We're going to go for one last dive, try and put a few more fish in the esky, and then yeah, we're going to snatch it for the day and go and do all the cleaning up. Can't wait for that. sick last dive. We managed to shoot a couple of bone, which was awesome. That wraps up a really, really cool trip. I had a great time. Did you have a great time? So we're going to head back to the beach. We're going to throw all our stuff on the boat and we are going to head home. That is the end of our weekend away. Thanks so much for watching, legends. We had a wicked, wicked weekend and we hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.